I'll start with a very, very simple question. तुम्ही वचपाचे
हुंय वचपा म्हणटो
खंय वचपाचे म्हणजे आता येदे व्हडलें हांवें आतां सुरवातीक सांगलें सो सगळे जाण म्हणटात की 8 जाण जावपाक जाय आनी मागीर 8 जाण जाले की तुमी गेले म्हण ते 8 जायना म्हणटात आतां हाजी रियलिटी कितें
I am not aware of anything. Okay, as far as I am concerned, right now I am in your studio. So where am I supposed to go? I am seated here right now. The question of going anywhere doesn't arise. I am with you.
पूण एक गजाल आहा न्ही
सांग.
की खूब जाणांनी सामको सांगलां की तुमी तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर मिटिंगो घेतल्यो कार्यकर्त्यांची मिटिंगो घेतल्यो आपले लागींचे मनशाची मिटिंगो घेतल्यो आनी तांकां सांगलें म्हणून की आपूण चल्लो हें खरें न्ही
No, I don't think I've had. I have till this minute.
Yeah.
I have not had any such meeting.
You have
I
not
think-
had any meeting with your close people.
To say that I'm going to BJP, that I've made a statement saying that I'm going to BJP.
चल्लो म्हण आपूण काँग्रेस आनी कांय जावपा ना म्हण
No, no, I have not made such a statement. I haven't made. You see, it is simple. I have had people coming to me. I've had people telling me that you have made commitments to us. You deliver on those commitments. If need be, if you have to go to BJP, go to BJP, but deliver on the commitments. I have not told anybody that I'm going. Number one. Number two, from my elections, I have had a meeting. If you call it a meeting, I call it a party with the recently elected panchas who are from our group.
Yeah.
There again, certain panchas have expressed their desire that works should be fulfilled, that they're expecting a lot from me. And if you have to go, you go. That was one group, opinion of a group. The other side, I also had people who said, don't go. As far as I'm concerned, I'm confused. Confused for one reason. You see, I definitely remember that I have gone around in the constituency telling people, vote for me, and I will not leave the Congress party. This is what I have told them. So I don't know what is to be done, because one side you have people say go, other side you have people saying don't go. I also remember what I have told people. So personally, I am in a confused state of mind. But as far as I know, I am very much in the Congress party.
तें जालेत न्ही ती टेक्निकलिटी तशी मायकल लोबो इज टेक्निकली स्टील युअर लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन ऑल्दो युअर पार्टी हॅज फायल्ड डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन अगेन्स्ट हिम हांव टेक्निकलिटीसांचेर वतना
I am not on
तुम्ही
technical.
सदां आमकां ते
I
टेक्निकलिटी
am
म्हणजे
not.
घुसपायतात
I am not on technicalities. I am
Right.
telling you the truth. I've said I am confused. Whom to oblige?
So
Oblige
you-
those who say go. Oblige those who say don't go.
So you admit that you have an offer.
I admit that I've been approached. Not by BJP people, by some Congress people.
सो काँग्रेसीच्याच आमदारांनी तुमकां ऑफर दिली आपली बरोबर येवपाची
No, they've asked me what is your mind on it.
तांची तयारी आहा वचपाची
I don't know whether they are ready also. Maybe,
कितें बेश्टेच विचारता तर ते?
no, maybe they are studying the prospects.
अशें कितें जालां ते
You
प्रॉस्पेक्ट
have,
स्टडी
you,
करपा
you,
खातीर
you have said just now that you require 8. So maybe they are feeling the pulse to see how many, whether they can get the number 8.
Sir, can you confirm to us, simple question, that there is a sizable chunk out of this 11 who is ready to shift over to BJP?
Because
And they have approached you also
I am not
to
in-
check whether you are coming along.
No, see, I will be honest with you.
Yeah.
And tell you that I'm not in a position to make a commitment to say that there is a big chunk. Why? Because I have not met that chunk.
You have met one or two fellows.
I met just one or two fellows. So I can't tell you there's a chunk.
But you can definitely confirm to us that there are one or two fellows in the Congress party who are checking the prospects of creating a group of 8 to defect.
No, if I don't believe they're basically, maybe they've been approached. So they are seeing whether they're getting the numbers.